Hello, my legion of leasers, my army of apartment maniacs, everyone on leasinguniversity.com. I am so excited to make this announcement right now, starting right now. Everyone that is enrolled in leasinguniversity.com is going to have access to a free video coaching call with me once a month. Every month, we're going to be getting together. I'm going to be working with you in a video setting. So you're going to be able to log in from your phone, from your tablet, from your computer. And you can ask me anything. You can either ask me during our coaching call, or you can send topics and questions, any suggestions to info@leasinguniversity.com, and the Student Support Center will let me know what questions you have for the coaching call. So now you're not only going to have access to everything on the Leasing University portal with your unlimited plan. You're not only going to be able to do your phone training, your handling objections, your closing. You're not only going to be able to get your Certified Leasing Consultant Credential through the leasinguniversity.com portal, but you're also going to be able to work with me every month so you can continue to get better. If there's any particular subjects that you have questions on, if there's anything that you've got going on in your market, maybe there's some new construction, or maybe rents are going up, maybe rents are going down, whatever it is, occupancy is too high, occupancy is too low, how do I deal with renewals, how do I deal with promotions, whatever the questions are, starting right now, I'm going to be available for you once a month, each and every month for 30 minutes to coach you, to help you get better. I hope you've already subscribed to leasinguniversity.com. If you haven't, jump on it so you can take advantage of the free video training. If you have any questions at all about getting your team access to the free video coaching, or about getting yourself or your team on Leasing University, call our offices right now at 888-735-7451. Hey, I look forward to seeing all of you on the first live video coaching call and many live video coaching calls after that. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Leasing University. Until the next video, be great. I'll see you on the coaching call, and get those leases. I'll see you soon. 500 of the top property management companies work with Leasing University. We conduct 100 live apartment leasing training events per year. We help our clients sign over 100,000 additional leases per year, adding $2 billion to their revenue. Leasing consultants that have access to Leasing University lease 7 times more apartments than the rest of the industry. Leasing University is new. Leasing University is game-changing, and Leasing University will get you 7 times more leases. Listen, the apartment industry has changed. The way people rent apartments today is totally different than it was yesterday. Today's renter has more access to information, and they've got more choices in apartments than they've ever had before. If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your Certified Leasing Consultant Credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training.